Good morning, this is Jason with the Primal Outdoors channel, and as you guys can see, we're already out in the tent. We got in here late last night and I just focused on trying to get camp set up, but we're getting up this morning. We're going through our normal routine. I got some coffee boiling right here. It's snowing like cats and dogs outside, and I'm hoping that this weekend we're going to be able to capture a really cool winter landscape scene. Alright, so we're finally up and out. Matt's got a fire going for us this morning. It's been snowing on and off, and sometimes pretty heavily. It's kind of finally started to kick down a little bit, but for a while there it was really laying it down. But we're gonna work on getting some breakfast going right now, and maybe possibly running off to go get some more firewood here shortly. We're gonna have to kind of really keep an eye on the snow situation, because it is coming down quite a bit and we're a little ways back here. If it gets too much more, we might just have to cut this video a little bit short and get out while the getting's good. All right, so we've made it back to camp and we've gotten the fire going again, and Matt's working on splitting a lot of the wood that we gathered while we were out. The weather just keeps changing on us a lot today, and it's really socked in. Every once in a while we get a little tiny sun break. Like right now there's just a tiny bit of a break kind of popping through. And we scouted around a little bit today looking for a good place to shoot a landscape photo. But I couldn't really find what I was looking for. It's just so socked in that pretty much all you can see is just white out. So I think I'm gonna back off and not really worry about trying to get too much of a shot today. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow morning. Maybe I'll have a little bit different weather, but I think we're kind of forecast for this for the whole weekend. So as it is, I think we're just gonna get our fire going good and kind of kick back and relax and enjoy the rest of the afternoon and into the evening.
Thank you.
All right, so we just got done eating, and that was really good, and the fire feels fantastic. It's actually really cooled off because of the fact that it really cleared up tonight, and the snow finally stopped. Boy, it was really snowing this morning, wasn't it?
Man, that was ridiculous.
Yeah, it was like
I think we're gonna make it back out of here.
Yeah, I was almost thinking that we were going to be leaving within the next hour or so this morning, but things backed off. I don't know, what do you think we got? About 8 inches of snow there in about 3 hours?
Yeah, it was coming out hard.
Yeah, but it's pretty much quit. It's been pretty windy and it's socked in for most of the day until we got back to camp, and then it kind of cleared up and has been really nice. We got tons of firewood, and we're good to go for the evening. But we both have to leave pretty early in the morning, so we're gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I do a video similar to this every week, and the likes and the comments really do help, and I'll see you guys again outside.